Are the Germans rude?
Yes. Yeah.
It's one of the toughest language to learn, right?
It makes no sense, especially what you said with the articles. There's no real way of telling why. A lot of Americans, for example, tend to pretend like we all speak German the way Hitler used to do, and that is not the case.
Do you think the things in Germany are really expensive?
Yes, Germany is generally more expensive than other countries. I think that plays a role.
Yeah.
I also think that we have a saying in Germany that translates to having a stick up your bum. I think we're sometimes a little bit tight up, uptight. Sorry,
Yeah,
uptight.
uptight.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
Oh, don't do
Which is
that.
yeah, not acceptable here in Germany, right?
That's a deadly sin. You cannot congratulate anyone for their birthday before their actual birthday.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Palak Lakhani. In this channel, I make educational videos focusing mainly on studying, working, and living in Germany. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So today's video is going to be a light-hearted video. We will be talking just about the German culture and the differences and similarities of German culture compared to other countries. So if you are in Germany, then this video will be really interesting for you, or if you are planning to come to Germany, then you can learn from this video and you can implement those things after your arrival here. So let's get quickly started with today's video. Right. So Mickey, welcome to my channel. Could you please introduce yourself quickly?
Hi, I'm Mickey. I'm 26. I live in Halle in east of Germany. I have a quite interesting, I think, attitude towards my country. Sometimes I really love it. Sometimes I think it's absolutely bollocks. I love traveling, and yeah, I'm happy to be here and discuss my culture with you.
Great. Thank you so much. So the very first question, which I have been asked many a times from my viewers, uh, are the Germans rude?
Yes. Yeah. No. I think it's a very interesting question because I think a lot of people think about that because how I see it is German people are very distanced.
Yeah.
They come off as cold, or we, I'm one of them, might come off as cold at first. But what I've heard many of my friends who might have traveled here from other countries say is when you get to know Germans and you form like a personal relationship, those are usually very tight bonds.
Yeah.
But what is true is that Germans don't really do small talk very well, and kind of live in their own bubble oftentimes. It depends a little bit on whether you're in a larger city or in the countryside. It's a bit worse in my experience. But yeah, I wouldn't say that Germans are rude. I think it's just a little bit more of a kind of restrained or kind of distanced kind of manner.
Moving on to the next question is about the German language. So it's one of the toughest language to learn, right? So how do you think about this language? What is your opinion about learning German and stuff?
I mean, I've had this conversation with many of my friends as well, because it makes no sense, especially what you said with the articles. There's no real way of telling why. We spoke about like the example of why is a school, die Schule,
Yeah.
is female, feminine, and then the building, das Gebäude, is neutral. However, for example, the girl, das Mädchen, also is neutral, whereas, I mean, why, right? The woman is female or feminine. So it makes no sense. I'm very lucky that because I have to speak German, I mean, it's my mother tongue, so I didn't really have to learn it in the traditional sense that you would have to. I do not envy you. I, however, sometimes think a little bit it's exaggerated as well.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a harsh language, But it isn't as harsh as it's made out to be. A lot of Americans, for example, tend to pretend like we all speak German the way Hitler used to do, and that is not the case. And yeah, sometimes it can be very poetic and very sweet as well, I think. That is my point.
Great. Compared to other countries, many people think that the expenditure here in Germany is a lot. Many things that you can buy from other countries on a cheaper rate, in Germany it's much more expensive. For example, the electrical items or any other thing. So, what is your point about it? Do you think the things in Germany are really expensive?
Yes, Germany is generally more expensive than other countries. However, relative to the income, I think it kind of levels it out. One thing that is actually quite cheap in comparison to the income, the general income or average income, is food, and sometimes, often to my dismay, because in many areas, I think the quality suffers when it comes to like animal products, for example. There are other countries who have other restrictions, and therefore the meat prices will be higher. But it also greatly varies where in Germany you live. For example, like prices of living for rent will be very different in the east part of Germany compared to the west. So
True.
but yeah, generally, of course, Germany is, I think.
Next question would be about drinking, which is really what Germans do usually, right? Yeah.
I mean, I guess that is a stereotype that might have some truth to it. I mean, I think we're a culture of functioning alcoholics. For many families, it's very normal that like the parents will have like a bottle of beer and a glass of wine at the evening, for at the dinner table. And I personally find it a little bit disturbing, because I do think that if you regularly consume alcohol, even if it's not in large amounts, that kind of means that you kind of depend on it or that you need it. But I do also like my glass of wine every once in a while. But yeah, I think it is excessive here, but it is also so in many other European countries or Western countries. And what many don't know is that like Belgium and Czech Republic, for example, are really large beer drinkers as well.
Yeah, that's true. I was in Czech Republic in Prague, and they have some of the cheapest beers of Europe. Another misconception which many foreigners have is that it's really hard to find a part-time job or a full-time job here in Germany. But as a German, what do you think about this?
I think again that really depends. It's so funny, because I think the idea of this one Germany is a little bit misconstrued, right? For example, I feel like many foreigners think that all of Germany is Bavaria, right? We all celebrate the Oktoberfest, we all wear Dirndl and Lederhosen, which just isn't the case. It is very, very different. The economy is very different from state to state as well, and so the availability for jobs, or for example jobs that will accept foreigners who don't maybe speak English that well, will vary from place to place. Usually in larger cities you will probably not have have such an issue of finding a part-time job. I think the problem is that because, for example, especially here in the east part of Germany, English wasn't taught. It wasn't mandatory in school, as it was in the west part of Germany. It was mandatory, but here Russian was taught in school as a foreign language. So that's why a lot of the older generations do not speak English, so they wouldn't know how to communicate. And those are usually the people that will sit in the companies, not maybe in the higher ups, but in the ones that you would be your co-workers. So for them it would be hard if they couldn't understand you, or couldn't kind of work with you.
So the next question would be, what are some of the German superstitions that you have? Like, it happened with me that I called my German friend before his birthday,
Oh, don't
which
do that.
is which is yeah, not acceptable here in Germany, right?
That's a deadly sin. You cannot congratulate anyone for their birthday before their actual birthday. You would rather miss it and say happy belated birthday. That is more acceptable than saying happy birthday in advance. That is a very, very, very bad idea, because basically what you're saying is, we believe, I don't know where it comes from, I just know that it's a thing, that you shouldn't be congratulated for achievements that you haven't achieved yet, and that will kind of decrease the likelihood of you getting that achievement. So when you congratulate someone for their birthday before they've actually achieved that, what you're actually saying is, I hope you die. So
That's insane.
and it is absolutely insane.
Yeah.
It makes no sense. But even though I know that, even though I've traveled to many countries, I cannot rid myself of that superstition, and I will tell all of my foreign friends, please never ever do that. So it's really good to know that when encountering a German, or becoming friends or going to Germany, I think.